People don't talk enough about how good these chocolate cookies are, and when you see how easy they are to make, you won't be able to resist. You're going to have to make them. Look how amazing they look. There it is. Close up. You can make them any size you want, and they turn out spectacular with an incredible flavor. Spectacular! First ingredient, butter. 125 grams of butter. We leave it half melted, softened, as they usually say. And now for the next ingredient, powdered sugar, 125 grams that we add to our butter. Now mix it well. It'll take you about 20 seconds. Let's continue. We need 1 large egg, size L. When you have the mixture like this, butter and sugar, add the egg and keep beating with a hand whisk until it's fully combined. Another 20 seconds, it won't take you any longer. And now we move on to the main ingredient, flour, 300 grams of all-purpose flour. You add it all at once like this. Add a tablespoon of vanilla essence to give your cookie an amazing flavor on the outside and mix. Stir it first with the spoon, but when it starts to come together, use your hand and knead it like bread. You'll end up with a dough like this. Cover it with parchment paper, or you can also use plastic wrap. It's fine. It's just to flatten it and get a thickness of about ½ centimeter. If you want them thinner, that's fine. Just go back and forth until you get it. Then remove it, and now with a small knife, you start cutting this dough into portions. Don't worry if they turn out uneven, because when you roll them up, everything gets fixed. Alright, on each of the portions you just cut, you're going to add a spoonful of chocolate spread, whichever one you like best. Roll it up and leave it there. It's that simple. When you have all these cylinders, place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake them for 12 minutes in a preheated oven at 350 degrees, and they'll look amazing. Pure wonder. Sprinkle a little on top, and your dish is ready, you see. For breakfast, for a snack, for whatever you want, there's nothing more to add to the table. They almost fell, but no, I held on for the close-up. Look, chocolate-filled cookies. Check these out. Who can do better? No one. And they're not only easy, they turn out amazing, I assure you. You have to make them at home. Leave me a like, subscribe. It's all free and it helps me a lot. You have to make them. They turn out spectacular. Guaranteed success.
Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video.
Subscribe.